You have heard this for 1,000 times. I tried a new AI agent, it gave me a garbage results. AI is overrated, but the truth is, you just probably don't know how to use it. Say example, you ask your architect to build a house, but you forgot him to give the blueprint of the house. How can you expect to get a good result if you don't provide necessary information and guidelines? In next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly 9 steps workflow that took me a way long to figure out. None of it is clever, all of it works. Quick promise before we start. By end of this video, you will know how to pick the right AI model so you stop wasting the money. Why planning beats prompting every time. The one file that replaces 5 and how to test your AI code without losing your mind. If that sounds useful, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Step 1. Pick the model that fits the job. Think of AI model like tools in a toolbox. IQ, Sonnet and Opus each serves for different purposes. IQ model is fast and cheap, great for simple jobs. But ask it to design full system, you will get something, it looks fine but it does not work. Sonnet model is your daily driver. If your problem has clear specification, clear rules and clear edge cases, Sonnet handles it really well. You will spend more time for reviewing, but you will save real money. Opus is heavy lifter. Use it when the problem is more complex and requires deep reasoning. It is very expensive and slower as well, but it can handle fuzzy problems comparing to other two models. If your prompt is make it work, it is not a request. That is a wish. The AI model can't read your mind. Step 2. Plan in chat first. This is huge one. It is the most important part of the development lifecycle. In traditional software development, we do analysis, design and architecture. All the stuff we do it in Scrum meetings or traditional whiteboards. Now we do it in AI chat by asking questions like what are the modules do we need? What is the acceptance criteria? What are the edge cases and what system design we are going to build. To achieve better results, use Claude Opus model. It do deep research and it helps to find the edge cases on your business functionalities. This kind of planning conversation is the context of the AI. Once the plan is finalized, tell the AI to generate the implementation document to avoid the chat conversation memory limits. Keep the separate conversation for each module to have the clean context. Skipping the planning step is not the best part of the software development process. Step 3. One source of truth. Stop copying instructions everywhere. If you have used AI tools, you might see all these files floating around. Agent.md, Claude.md, Copilot Instructions.md, Gemini.md and much more. All these 4 files has same instructions, but it serves for different model. Pick any one of the file. I personally use agent.md file. It is open standard right now. Most of the tools are supporting it. Then I make others tiny update. Just one line link to point to the agents.md file. And that's it. One file to update, one file to trust, job done. Step 4. Write your instructions for AI, not for human readers. By default, the AI writes your instruction files like a polished onboarding documents, friendly intros and section headers. This document outlines looks great, but the dark side of this instruction file is the cost. Every word costs you the token and clutters its focus. So tell the AI directly, compress agent.md file, remove the friendly intros, merge the duplicates and use the edge cases. This compression helps to reduce the cost on each prompt you ask for. And do this every time you add 5 or more new rules to the agent file. Step 5. Skills are not magic. Just call them by name. Skills are saved as a / commands, reusable instructions you can call on demand. They are supposed to load automatically when needed. In theory, if the description matches your prompt closely enough. If you actually need a skill to be used, just say its name in the prompt. Don't gamble. Instead of hoping it's triggered, just write use the code reviewer skill or /SEO audit. But that only works if you keep your skills folder clean, and please stop installing every skills you find just because the names sound good. If you don't remember exactly what the skill does, delete it. Junk in equals junk out. Step 6. Install MCPs locally. Globals are tags on every prompt. MCPs are connectors that let AI to talk to your other tools like your calendar, your databases, your project tracker. Having 20 MCP servers turned on globally feels feels convenient, it also pollutes the AI context every single time you open a chat. Ask yourself one question: do I really use this everywhere, all the time? If yes, keep it globally. If no, and the honest answer is usually no, install it only in the project folder where you actually need it. Locally means MCPs only activates inside the specific project folder, not everywhere. Clear context, fast response, lower bills. Step 7. Don't review the AI code line by line. Test it. I tried the manual review by reading the code line by line. AI is good at writing code, a lot of code. It is not easy to read all the code it writes and understand it. I missed so many bugs. I thought I was doing the good, but I was not. Manual review is good, but for improving the productivity time, I have to automate the testing process. So I tell the AI to write the test case for its own code, not for myself. Not just the one test cases, full suite of tests that covers all the edge cases and failure modes. Before AI, writing and test case to double the estimation time for each module, but now it can write a test case in the same time as the code has developed. Then I automate it all with the GitHub action, so it runs on every code changes. Important one: automated tests are not enough. You also need to actually use the application, click around, try to break it. And bonus point: if you have different model, cross-check the code with another model. Sometimes one model misses it, another model catches it. It's like having a layer of review because it is different brain with different blind spot. Step 8. Ban shortcuts. In my personal projects, my AGENTS.md has hard rules. No backward compatibilities, no quick fixes, no temporary solutions. If the AI wants to take shortcuts, it has to explain why. If you are running real production code with real user, the backward compatibility rule is too harsh. Step 9. Clear the context. If you have told the AI the same thing 3 times and it's still wrong, your conversation is poisoned. Too much wrong stuff is already baked in. Don't keep arguing, don't keep saying, "No, I already told you." Instead, open a new chat, bring what you learned in your previous conversation, start over with the right prompt. A clean context with smart prompt makes AI to give more effective result. All this setup work. I use it for every single day. Please try it for 1 week. You will see the difference on your code base. If this helped, hit the like. It really does help the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And drop the comments which of the first issue you fixed for. See you in the next video. Until bye.